Hey everybody, I'm Ted from Tebex. In this tutorial we are going to set up our Minecraft Bedrock server and connect it to our Tebex web store. Let's first of all start by making sure we are on the correct Tebex web store type. As you can see here, I'm on Minecraft Bedrock. If you need to create a Minecraft Bedrock store, go to Manage Your Projects, create a new project, select I would like to monetize my game server, select Minecraft, and then select the version of Minecraft that you use. If you're unclear what version to choose, you can click on the different options and you get a little bit more information. Since we are using Bedrock in this tutorial, let's select Minecraft Bedrock and then let's click on Continue, and then let's give the server a name. Creating a new store, it will automatically prompt you to create a new server. For everybody that already created a store, I'm going to start from the dashboard. We're going to go to Integrations, then go to Game Servers. I already have a game server, so for me, I'm going to select Connect Game Server top right. We are then going to select Plugin, click on Continue, give the server a name. So I will call this Bedrock Tutorial, and then let's click on Continue. We then have to choose what kind of platform we want to use, either PMMP or Nuggit. In our case, we're going to use the second option. Clicking here, we can download the Bycraft X plugin. It says place the plugin file inside of your plugin directory. We don't have a plugin directory yet, so let's switch over to our local files and prepare our server to receive the plugin. We can find everything we need on the GitHub, and the link will be in the description. When scrolling down, we can click on download. By clicking on the number over here, we can then download the latest version, going back and going to the wiki and going to the installation information. For Windows, the only thing we need to do is create a bat file and put this in the same folder where we have our jar file located. So as you can see, I already have a folder. I'm going to put the jar file we just downloaded inside of the folder. So just open up Notepad and then we're going to paste the text that we just got from the website. Once again, for Windows, this is the code that we just copied. You can also find the codes for Linux and Mac over here. Then I'm going to give it the name of start.bat for bat file. Make sure that you set the file type to all files and then click save. We should now have a start file inside of our folder with the jar file. The only thing we need to do is double click this start file, and this should run us through the setup. So first we have to choose our language. We can see here ENG for English. So I'm going to do enter, and that's literally all we need to do. We can see that a lot of files now have been created and our server is running. Let's first of all open up Minecraft and try to connect to our server. From the Minecraft launcher, make sure that we are on Bedrock. And then let's click on play. Let's go to play again. Let's go to servers. Scrolling down, you can see that I already added my server. So I can just click join server. And this will automatically allow me to join. Let's say it again. This will automatically allow me to join. Normally. Oh, there we go. It took a little bit longer. Of course, when I'm demonstrating and recording, it doesn't want to work with me. So if you don't already have your server added, let's save and quit for now. We can see here I can edit my server or I can add another server. So let's edit and see what I did. I tried to spell local, so let's change this while we're here. I gave it a name, local. You can see my server IP address, or actually you cannot see my server IP. This is my public IP, so not my local IP. I couldn't get this working using my local IP, so you need to port forward your server to be able to connect. This is not a port forwarding tutorial. There is a lot of information out there. If you do want us to dive into this topic, leave a comment down below. Fill in your IP address, fill in the port, and then it should all work. Add your server to the list, and then you are able to join. And this time it is going to be quicker. Okay, nice. We now have our server running. We are able to connect. Let's actually close our server. So I'm just going to click on close. Then back on Tebex, we can now place the plugin that we just downloaded inside of our plugins folder. Let's double check. Indeed, we now have a plugins folder inside of our Minecraft server folder. Drag it inside of the plugins folder. The only thing we need to do is restart our server by double clicking on the start bat file again. We should get a message, saying enable Bycraft. Indeed, this is a fresh install. So what we can do is copy our command, right click over here. So this will paste it. And then when pressing enter, hopefully we should get a message saying that everything is successfully connected. So the server is now registered as a server Bedrock tutorial. Let's try this on the server. And indeed, if we do Bycraft, we don't get any errors and we get the different commands that we can use. So our Tebex is already linked to our Minecraft server. Let's click on continue. Let's now figure out a command to demonstrate how we can actually use this inside of a package. Here we have a list of admin commands. One of the easiest one to demonstrate is probably give. So let's click here and see the actual command that we have to use. /give, player, item name, and then the amount. So let's also figure out what kind of item names we have. Let's make ourselves operator first by running the operator command and then our username. This way we can actually test the commands in-game first. Now in-game you can see it tells us we have been opt or have been made operator. So here we have another list with IDs. Let's just use the first item on the list. So let's copy the Minecraft stone item ID. So let's try to do /give, then the username. Then let's paste the Minecraft stone ID that we have copied. Let's try the amount. Let's do 10. And then if we press enter, we should then get our items. So going back, doing arrow up, we know exactly what command to use that will actually work in game. So let's now use this command and transfer it over to a Tebex package. On Tebex, let's go to packages, create a new package. We're first going to give the basic package information. We're then going to add a deliverable. In our case, this is a game server command or multiple. Our first command is going to be give, username, our item, and then the amount. This username variable will automatically be changed to the username from whoever is logged into your web store. Secondly, I'm going to say thank you for claiming the example package. So let's update this package. In your case, probably create this package. And then let's claim this by going to the dashboard, viewing our web store. Let's add this to our basket and log in. Let's proceed to checkout. Let's complete the payment. Then back in game, let's wait for the message to pop up. I'm actually going to throw away the rocks that I have. So let's wait for the message and then also let's see if we get our send. There we go. Thank you for claiming the example package. We can see in the top left. We can also see an extra message because we are operator, and we can actually see in our inventory that we got our send. Exactly 50 like we specified. So this means you can now run any command from any plugin through Tebex to automatically give something or do something in game. Hopefully this was helpful. If anything is unclear, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, thank you for watching and good luck with your Tebex store.